He says in Kashti Nuh, Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salam wrote that अफसोस उन बुनियाद परस्तों के लिए या उन बुनियाद परस्तों पर जो अबू जहल की मिट्टी से जिनकी फितरत गूंदी गई है. So this is, I think, the Urdu expression. He says, what is the meaning of this sentence?
Abu Jahl was one of the fiercest opponent of Hazrat Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So Abu Jahl is dead, of course, but people of his style and his rejection with aggression of the good things which Allah has bestowed upon Masih Maud is like new Abu Jahl.